So we're here at Cultivate and we're showcasing our new 6-foot rolling A-frame, which is modular, can be built all the way up to 12 feet tall. On one side we have trays and we've left some empty so you can see the drip irrigation lines and how it all goes together. And then for the media carrier we're using the Elipot pouch, and we've got it grown in the nursery with some herbs and lighted. It makes a great display. This side of our Varden A-frame is not lighted, but we've got good light in the hallway here. And we've got our deep sleeves, 100 millimeter by 240 millimeter deep Elipot, planted here with Vinca. And then we switch down below and we've got strawberries. And we've actually got fruit on these strawberries and blooms, and it's just beautiful. So it works great with just a different setup in wire